Welcome to our woodworking channel. Discover the artistry and craftsmanship behind beautiful handmade furniture and wood crafts. Join us to explore tips, techniques, and inspiring projects. Don't forget to subscribe for more creative woodworking content and stay updated with our latest videos. Happy crafting! Creating a cozy seating area with waterproof cushions. Winter garden decor not only beautifies your outdoor space but also woodworking is a rewarding hobby that combines creativity, craftsmanship, and practicality. For beginners, starting with small woodworking projects is ideal because they are manageable, affordable, and quick to complete. These projects can enhance your home decor, provide functional items, and boost your confidence in woodworking skills. Whether you have a small workshop or just a corner in your garage, you can create beautiful and useful items with basic tools and simple techniques. The key is selecting projects that match your skill level while allowing room for learning and experimentation. In this guide, we'll explore 17 small woodworking projects that are easy to make at home, suitable for DIY enthusiasts of all levels. These projects not only serve as great practical items but also as perfect gifts or decorative accents for your living space. From rustic shelves to personalized coasters, each project emphasizes simplicity, affordability, and creativity. Wooden coasters are one of the simplest yet most useful woodworking projects, perfect for beginners. They are practical items that protect your furniture from water rings and spills, while adding a rustic charm to your home. To make wooden coasters, start with small, flat pieces of wood, such as cedar, pine, or oak. Cut the wood into square or round shapes using a saw, and sand the edges smoothly to avoid splinters. You can personalize your coasters by engraving designs or adding a protective finish like polyurethane for durability. These coasters can be customized with different stains or paints to match your decor or give as thoughtful handmade gifts. The process involves minimal tools, just a saw, sandpaper, and a brush or cloth. Wooden coasters are also an excellent project to practice measuring, cutting, and finishing techniques. They are lightweight, easy to store, and perfect for gifting friends and family. You can even create a set of matching coasters with different designs or initials for a personalized touch. Wooden shelves are versatile and functional additions to any home, perfect for displaying decor or organizing belongings. Building simple wooden shelves is an easy project suitable for beginners. To start, select a sturdy, straight piece of wood as the shelf board. Common choices include pine or cedar. Cut the wood to your desired length, typically between 24 to 36 inches for small shelves. Sand the edges smoothly to prevent splinters and enhance aesthetic appeal. Next, attach brackets or supports. These can be purchased pre-made or crafted from scrap wood. To keep the project simple, wall-mounted brackets can be secured with screws and wall anchors for stability. Alternatively, you can create floating shelves using hidden brackets or cleats. Once assembled, mount the shelf securely to the wall, ensuring it is level. Painting or staining the wood can add a finishing touch that complements your decor. Creating your own wooden picture frames is a fantastic beginner woodworking project that adds a personalized touch to your home decor. It's simple to make, requires minimal materials, and allows for endless customization. To start, select a piece of hardwood or softwood, such as pine, cedar, or oak. Cut 4 pieces to your desired frame size, ensuring that the corners are cut at 45-degree angles to form a perfect rectangle or square. Sand the edges smoothly to avoid splinters and prepare for finishing. Join the pieces using nails, wood glue, or a combination of both, and reinforce with corner brackets if desired. Once assembled, sand the entire frame to create a smooth surface. You can stain, paint, or leave the wood natural, depending on your aesthetic preference. To hold your photo in place, attach a backing board or paper with clips or small nails. You can also add a glass or acrylic cover for protection. Making your own picture frame allows you to customize the size, style, and finish to match your decor. A wooden plant stand is a stylish and functional project that enhances your indoor or outdoor space by elevating your plants. Building a simple plant stand is easy and requires only basic woodworking tools and materials. Start with selecting sturdy wood such as pine, cedar, or hardwood scraps. The most straightforward design involves a small platform supported by 4 legs. Cut the wood to size, roughly 12 to 18 inches in height for the stand, with a square or round top surface about 8 to 12 inches wide. Sand all pieces thoroughly for a smooth finish. Assemble the legs to the top surface using screws and wood glue for stability. For added durability, reinforce with corner brackets or braces. You can also customize the style by painting, staining, or distressing the wood for a rustic look. Place your potted plants on the stand, and position them indoors or outdoors to add a touch of nature to your space. These stands are perfect for small herbs, succulents, or decorative houseplants. Building a wooden plant stand is a simple project that improves your woodworking skills while serving a practical purpose. It's also an excellent gift idea for plant lovers. A wooden plant stand is a stylish and functional project that enhances your indoor or outdoor space by elevating your plants. Building a simple plant stand is easy and requires only basic woodworking tools and materials. Start with selecting sturdy wood such as pine, cedar, or hardwood scraps. The most straightforward design involves a small platform supported by 4 legs. Cut the wood to size, roughly 12 to 18 inches in height for the stand, with a square or round top surface about 8 to 12 inches wide. Sand all pieces thoroughly for a smooth finish. Creating a jewelry holder involves simple woodworking techniques suitable for beginners. Start with a small wooden board or plank, which will serve as the base. Cut and shape small dowels, rods, or pegs to hang necklaces, bracelets, and earrings. Attach these to the base using screws or glue, spacing them evenly for easy access. You can also include small compartments or trays for rings and other small pieces. Sand all surfaces thoroughly and finish with stain or paint for a polished look. For added elegance, consider adding hooks or decorative accents. This project not only helps organize your jewelry but also allows you to customize the design to match your decor style, modern, rustic, or vintage. Making your own jewelry organizer is a straightforward project that improves your skills in measuring, drilling, and assembling.